Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today what I'm going to do is some really tasty sausage rolls, like the type you get in Greggs, but these are not Greggs, these are mine, and they'll be better than Greggs. So we've got some pork chipolatas, and we've got, what the heck, chicken Italia sausages, which have got tomato, mozzarella, basil, garlic, and maybe small batches because they're big on flavour and quality. So we're going to skin these and mix these two meats together. I've got some ready rolled puff pastry, got some garlic puree, some spring onions which I'm going to finely chop, got parsley, coriander, dill, salt, pepper, and a little bit of cheese. And for the top, before they go in the oven, I'm going to melt down some Bertolli olive oil butter with some garlic granules and paprika. So I'll get all this sorted out and we'll be right back. So see you soon. Okay, so we've got our chicken sausage meat and our pork sausage meat all stripped out. So we've got our spring onions, which have been like finely chopped. Some garlic puree. Some parsley. Coriander, some dill, some pepper, a little bit of salt, give that a little mix up. A little bit of cheese, we'll put that to one side and we'll get our pastry out. Okay, so we're back. We've got our pastry rolled out here. It's already pre-made stuff. We've got our mixture, which we're going to put in here. We just basically thin it out. Get the edge. Like that. So just trim that off. Cut these ones. We'll put these little bundles of joy on the tray, whisk with paper. And this one, some more to mix out. this over. And basically we'll cut these. And just stab it, a little bit of venting for the steam, and we'll put these on the tray. Okay, so we've got our sausage rolls all done. We've got our little melted butter with paprika and some garlic granules. Just going to dab these over the top. And we'll get these in the oven. Well, obviously my favourite number, 180, and we just keep an eye on them and wait for them to get a bit of brownish, a bit of colouring, and we'll be right back. Okay, so out of the sausage chicken mince sausage rolls that are in the oven, there's still some left, so I've got a pan on, a bit of olive oil. Might as well make some nice burgers. A couple of nice burgers anyway. Might have these tonight actually. Another one of those out. So yeah, so these will be the best burgers you've ever had as well. So it's the same mixture. So we just get these on the go and heat it up, and then take the rings off, and we'll be back in a minute. So these are chicken and pork burgers. They're on the go now. So I'm just going to add a bit of cheese to the tops and let these melt in. Superb. So here's our two burgers with sausage and chicken, with a bit of cheese on top, with some cheese and spring onions and some herbs. All the ingredients will be in the description. So we're just waiting for the sausage rolls. then we can have a plate up with a nice bit of salad. So see you soon. Okay, so there we have it. We've got our sausage rolls with chicken and pork, sausage mix, taking out skins, and with spring onions and some herbs mixed in with it, and a bit of cheese. We've got our leftover to make a burger with cheese on top, and we have our little bit of mixed salad with horseradish, lettuce, courgette, carrots, red and yellow peppers, spring onions, and I think I said carrots, but anyway, with a little bit of olive oil, black pepper and salt. So yeah, so that is going to be really tasty, and I've already tasted one of these and they are awesome. So great stuff. So please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one and see what we can come up with. Cheers guys, see you later and take it easy. Bye bye.